Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Sanur City during the pandemic corona. And today, 25th of April 2021, I just will drive around in Sanur, around 15-minute driving, and I will make video without skip. So I just want to show you how look like exactly the condition at the moment in Sanur. So if you don't mind, just stay in touch until the end of the video. Check it out. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Sanur City. Now we are in Danau Toba Street. Let us see together what's happening right there at the moment. The end of the April. And actually, on this video, I make 15-minute video without skip. But I just posting around 10-minute driving, and I make video without skip. Because I just want to show you how it look like exactly at the moment right there. The condition in Sanur, the end of the April. So you can see how many shops they open and how many shops they close. But for sure, I'm gonna say like 90% the shops still close. Okay, now we are turned right. And now we are in Danau Tambelingan Street. Mostly this area is lots of people walking down beside the sidewalk because in this area a lot of the hotel. But you can see by yourself, there's no people there. It's very quiet, isn't it? And when you see the weather, it's very beautiful. I mean very blue there. Not cloudy. It's very clear. But no people. And actually, I want to say the condition now in April 2021 is just like the same as last year on April 2020. Same quiet. Okay, you can see the activity or the sidewalk. There's no people there. So sad to see this actually. But I just want to show you how to like exactly the condition at the moment in Sanur area. lot of car and motorbike parking there. That's good. Also the tourists there. Oh, some people are working on the street. That's good. I'm happy to see that actually. And left side there is the big hotel, but no activity. When you see to the left side, it's very green, isn't it? Also the right side actually. But in the left side, there is a lot of big hotel just by the beach. So this area is like expensive area. But you see, on the sidewalk, no people walking down there. Just very quiet. It's very green, isn't it? It's very beautiful. Combined with the sky on the top, this blue sky is very beautiful too. Love to see that actually. Left side is big hotel, but no activity. Some taxi parking there. Love to see that. Okay, so this is the condition at the moment in Danau Tumblingan Street in Sanur. So what do you think? Okay, so this is the condition in Danau Tumblingan Street, and now we will explore Cemara Street. So we keep driving ahead. Okay, now we are in Cemara Street, so we will explore Cemara Street. So we will see together how the condition right there at the moment. I think will be the same. In this area, I have customers from Australia, and they stay here because they say this area is very nice to stay. Their name is Paul and family. You see the left side, there is Camilla. How look like? Oh, no people there, so sad. Very bad, isn't it? So this is Puri Santrian Hotel. As I told you, in the left side there is big hotel that is connecting by the beach. So this area is very expensive area. Is Bravo Hotel left side? Also quiet. Today I saw so many taxi parking beside the street. That was good. Okay, from here we turn right and then we will explore Sudamala Street. I think the condition is just the same. Just very quiet too. And this area, there is a lot of hotel, not for the shop. Okay, so that's the condition in Sudamala Street. Okay, and now we will turn left to explore Danau Poso Street. So we will see the condition in Danau Poso Street. Just the same. Okay guys, so there is the condition at the moment in Sanur area. In April 2021, a lot of people lost their job because of the corona. And we hope together the corona will be over as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.